In this video, you will learn the similarities and differences between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell.
A prokaryotic cell is most commonly known as bacteria. It is 0.2 to 2 micrometers in length. Their cell wall is made of peptidoglycan. The prokaryotic cells divide by binary fission. They have no cytoskeleton. The DNA is transferred in DNA fragments only, also known as congregulation. They have no mitochondria and no nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are commonly seen in protists, fungi, plants, and animals. They are 10 to 100 micrometers in length. They have membrane-bound organelles. They have more complex DNA than prokaryotic cells. They divide by mitosis. Their cell wall is made of cellulose, and they have mitochondria and a nucleus. Both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells have a cell wall or are membrane-bound. They both have DNA. In a eukaryotic cell, the DNA is compacted into the nucleus, while the prokaryotic cells have the DNA loosely within the cell. Both pro and eukaryotic cells have ribosomes, and they both have flagella.
Prokaryotes, like bacteria and archaea, were the only forms of life on Earth for millions of years, before the process of evolution. After evolving, the eukaryotes, like amoebas, later formed into what we see today. It is important to know the differences between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Knowing the difference allows us to control disease-causing bacteria without harming our own cells.
Okay, to finish up this video, we'll do a quick comparison of the similarities and the differences of prokaryote and eukaryote cells. The main differences to be noted are the prokaryotes' lack of organelles that the eukaryotes have. Most notably out of these are the mitochondria and the nucleus, where the DNA is contained, but also the Golgi apparatus and the rough ER are missing from prokaryote cells. The most notable similarities between prokaryotes and eukaryotes are they both have a cell membrane and both can move using flagella. Also, they have ribosomes in both types of cell. And finally, prokaryotes are mostly seen as bacteria and archaea, where eukaryote cells are seen as from single-celled to multicellular organisms such as plants, animals, and fungi.